Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make soy sauce chicken. Now I'm going to be cooking for 4 people today, and we're going to take about 600 grams of chicken breast. This one, very lean, no fat, so very good. Make sure before we start cutting, you get a wet towel under your cutting board. This is for safety reasons, and so that the board does not move around at all. So we're gonna start by cubing up our chicken breast. We're gonna cut our chicken breast into cubes. Using a meat knife, we're gonna cut it into cubes. So first, cut lengthwise like this, and cut like this. And cut down so you get some nice tubes. Again, cut lengthwise with a meat knife, as said before, and slice into cubes. And same process as before, cut lengthwise and cut into cubes. Here are our marinade ingredients. So black soy sauce, Shaoxing light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, baking soda, and sugar, also just water. This is very hard because it's very, very thick. So anyways, here's the first tablespoon. The second coming. Now, 3 tablespoons light soy sauce. Much more easier. One, 2, 3. 1 tablespoon Shaoxing. Yep, that's good enough. And tablespoon of sugar. Do these. Now, tablespoon cornstarch. Thank you. Just even out. There we go. A half tablespoon of baking soda. Basically one of these. Yes. And finally, top it all off, 3 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to give it a massage. Alright, now with some cling film, we're going to wrap it up and we're going to let it marinate for at least 20 minutes to an hour. Ideally, you want to let this marinate overnight, but we want to eat this for dinner, so 20 minutes to an hour will do. Now we leave it in the fridge. Alright, now it's later in the evening, so we're gonna serve our chicken. We're gonna have some rice. This is jasmine rice, but you can really just use any kind of rice you want. Anyways, in goes 400 grams. Now make sure you wash the rice because it will remove extra bacteria. Just put a little more water. Make sure you wash it all from all the bacteria. Just rinse it so that it's all gone, all remaining bacteria is gone. Like so. Drain the water and drain the water and rinse it all again. Rinse it again. Rinse until the rice becomes very, very clean. Drain the water after you rinse it. Let's rinse this one more time just for insurance policy. Now make sure you dry off the bottom of the rice pot. So otherwise in the rice cooker it cannot get wet. So just make sure you dry that bottom. We're gonna add about 2 cups of water until the line is over here. You see the line over here? Basically, we're going to fill it up to that. So, 2 cups will go. And like so. Alright, great. Now this is ready for the rice cooker. Make sure the thing is dry. 3. Well, now you close the lid and you cook the rice. Cook this for around 20 minutes, by the way. Alright there folks, this chicken's been marinating for quite a long time. Let's grab it out of the fridge. Alright, set it on the table. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and blanch the broccoli, right? Blanching basically means we boil it for a short period of time. So so we basically have to wait for the water to boil, and then we throw the florets in. And right now that the water is bubbling, we put in our broccoli, just like that, briefly blanch as much as this pot can fit. Alright, so after briefly blanching the broccoli, turn off the heat and put it through a sieve. And add a little bit of pinch of salt.